All right. That was easy. Okay, so I'm gonna get to work on the TravelAll today. This is a 68 International Harvester TravelAll, and this back window, I'd actually bought it, and the back window is laying in the back here. They had the motor rebuilt, but I got all the parts just kind of in a hubcap, so I got to figure out how to put it all together. I think I got it sorted out. Let me get the battery hooked up and we'll get right at it. Okay, I'm hoping it'll play nice and allow me to show you what I got going on here. So this is a power window. It goes in through here. Okay, so see, it comes down. No, it comes down, but it's the going up part. Here, let me show you, I guess. So yeah, she doesn't want to go up. Now don't get me wrong, I can help it up, but she doesn't want to go up on her own. Oh, that's an issue too. Not a big fan of how this wiring is, but what we're going to do is we're going to take a look at this. I believe our biggest problem that we're facing with this thing is the spring on the back of that motor. Now, like I say, I got this kind of bucket full of parts here. I don't know. Anyway, I don't think I got that spring installed correctly, so let me fix that. I'll bring you back for the install on that and the removal. You know what? Why don't I get a little tripod and I'll just get you guys set up on that, okay? Okay, so I put the spring, what I did is I put the whole assembly on the vise, like so. So the spring was over here. I just took some needle nose vise grips and kind of drug it over here and slipped it on. I'm not gonna lie to you, it seems awful tight to me. I don't know if it'll wind up more going down or not. We'll see. We'll see what happens here. I'm gonna go toss it in and we'll give her a go. Okay. So it would appear when I put that thing in there, I got her backwards. Let's take a look at this. So this is in the up position right now, right? So if it were to come down, come this way, it would actually be unloading the spring as it came down. And in fact, it should be loading the spring as it comes down. So I don't know what's gonna happen here. Let's find out. Maybe I'll eat it. So it should actually be on this side. Oh, I'm doing the same thing again. So it should actually be here. This up in here let's see. And then as it came down, would it tighten? Do I got that right? Anybody? McFly? All right, let's see. That doesn't seem right, does it? So when this comes down, that's up. So this travels. I don't know. You know what? Let's go give it a shot. I'm getting a little turned around. This goes in upside down and backwards, and this is up. So when this comes down this way. How is that going to wind that spring? Am I backwards? You know what? I think, you know what? Let's just go try the opposite of what we had, because what we had wasn't working. So I think when this comes down, that winds that spring. Yeah, it does. Okay, I got it now. Winds that spring, and then when it's at the bottom, the spring helps unload it to the top. All right. Sorry about that, guys. Maybe the cold's making the brain not work so good. Anyway, I think we got it right. So I'm going to go and I'm going to slap this back in, and we'll give her another go. Hang tight. And I'll go over this wiring with you too. Maybe while I got it out, I'll do a quick one. So this black one goes to that switch. Let me see. Can you guys see here okay? Yeah. This black one goes to that switch on the tailgate. On the driver's side, the little momentary switch. The green one goes to the pink that's coming in, and then the red and the yellow go to the whites. So these three actually go to switched power off the dash, and this one goes to the switch off the side of the tailgate. We'll get into the rest of it in a little bit. I know it doesn't make sense right now. I promise it will shortly. It's almost like it hits a limit, like it's tough there for some reason. Let's open her up and take a look. All right. Watch this. winding there. All right. Need your help. What am I doing wrong? Do I need to wrap that spring one more time? Do I have the spring in backwards? I don't think it's backwards. The motor is a fresh rewind. It's supposed to be good. I don't know how to measure it, to be honest with you. I got it wired correctly. I'm pretty confident about that. I don't know. I'm reaching out to you corn binders to tell me what's what. Okay? Thanks, guys. Okay, so I went to go disconnect the battery. You know, because old junk loves to kill batteries. And I got to thinking, you know, I've been playing with that thing quite a bit yesterday and this morning already. I wonder if the battery was weak. You know, if it's not, this is very... Anyway, let's see what happens here. There's down. Ah, up still sucks. Okay. Let's see. Okay, it was. Okay, I'm not quite ready to give up yet. So, it goes down, no problem at all. By going up, I need to help it. Down, no problem. Up, no. If I help it, you know, put my fingernails in there and turn this, it'll go. I've read some guys saying relays might help. So, if you're running a relay and it helps, I assume you're not getting enough amperage back there. I'm getting voltage, but not enough power. Okay, I think what I'm going to try and do is actually run a battery right here, a freshly charged battery. I'll set it here, wire it up, and then we'll see what happens. So I went on the forums, and there's some guys on there saying, you know, what a lot of guys have done in the past is run relays. In other words, they're not getting enough voltage or amperage or enough juice back here to run this, because that motor's rebuilt. I also feel pretty strongly that I got the right spring on there the right way. So now we got this kind of, I know it's just for testing purposes, okay? So I got this wire jammed in there, some vice grips on a wire there. That's gonna be my ground. I got that kind of, some of the wires are in there. I got this one kind of, it's got the Alberta twist on there and some tape. So we'll go ahead and we'll give that a shot. Have I worked on this before? Maybe I have. Where can I put you? Can you see from there? Good enough, I guess, eh? Down works. Okay, so I guess I was having a problem getting all the voltage or amperage or whatever down there. I guess that concludes this one. I will run a better power source up here, I guess. What I have isn't really cutting it, so I guess that'll do it for this one. Mystery solved. It's a power problem.